Once the wood dry, and then it start crack, and then the brushes start falling apart. There's a place upstairs. You know that?
Not just down the street. We found a steam bun place.
Oh, that place is very famous.
Really?
Yes.
So it's
Up
good.
here?
Well, I don't. It's okay. Next door, there are some wonton noodles with roast pork and roast duck
Ooh.
and char siu. They're pretty good.
Sounds good.
And next door, on this, right
On,
here?
on next to the bun shop.
The bun shop.
The bun, and you know the bun shop is.
The called New City.
New City. Okay. We'll say James sent us.
Oh no. No.
He doesn't want to own us if we
No.
do
If
something
we embarrass
embarrassing.
him.
No, it's not. It's just that's another story. It's Chinatown politics.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. You can't play favorites.
Yes.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No, he wants to live with his neighbors. Yes. I do the same thing in town where they ask me where to take their things to frame. I give them the name of every frame shop.
I'm very popular in Chinatown.
Well, you've been part of that association and all that, so you have to be a little politic.
Because I used 7 years full time
Yes.
volunteers. That's why I didn't paint.
No time to paint.
No, I was donated. All my time to the community. Now this is a shadow, okay?
Mhm.
Fingers. You can use a brush or you can use your fingers. Okay. Which is more effective or that you like the most, then use it. So this is the very first step with just black only.
It's just
Okay.
gorgeous.
And then the second step will be in blue before the real stone
other
colors. So in the my teachers or other people, they're using this indigo and ink mixed together,
Right.
and then
Wash it.
For the wash.
what I just did,
Yeah.
the two colors in one layers,
Mm.
and they come up with the result is the ink and indigo colors when they dry they run separately.
Oh.
So the indigo will run to places you didn't
Don't want
even
it to
want
go.
them to be, and they are there. I'll show you. They really run madly, but the colors did, okay? Now, you see, it's supposed to be right here, and then they went
They
this. And
were
those-
fugitives, yeah.
Those are the problem. You see, all this are because of the indigo. And then I realized that then I changed my method into 2-step instead
Washes.
of 1 step.
Oh.
Yeah, those are the receipts. Mountain. Okay,
For lunch?
and because the summer we're gonna paint a distant mountain, a small distant mountain, but this is a big one.
Big one.
So there is a size of changing. Okay, now I'm gonna do this first. It's all here? No,
No,
one more.
missing one in the potty.
Bathroom?
Line, all that required, and the mist, it was a second layer, which has to also being black, and nothing except this has. That's why
I
I'm
use
using
acrylic.
because no matter how wet it won't run.
It won't
Okay,
run.
it stay. Now, this one is made because I do want them to run a little bit softer. Okay,
So there's a little Chinese color, a little acrylic.
not Chinese,
All
the yellow cake.
yellow,
Yeah,
the chunk.
yeah.
Okay.
And then the blue colors, it will be, no, I will show you the two very different. One to use real indigo, okay, real indigo. Now, the best part of separate the two color is when you use indigo, you don't have to mix with any color, so you much easier to control, and you know how much they really run into it. So you can adjust them quite easily. Okay, now let me show you that. Like in traditional way, this is the traditional way: black one tone, color one tone, no, blue one tone, another tone. People just being lazy to put two of them together, like my teachers. See how I dip,
Yeah,
not the
not the
top.
first layer, down into the bottom layer.
Yes,
Because it granulates and it sinks to the bottom.
exactly. Now when you want to pour this glue away, pour into another cup, and then after you done, then you put it back.
Back on to keep the
Seal
color
it.
coated.
Yes, so it doesn't get smelled.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
doesn't get stinky.
Yes.
Now, this was from a chunk? Or this powder?
No, this is from the real vegetable dyes colors. No,
So the chunks.
The chips.
Chips.
They're from
Chips.
chips. I have some blue indigo chips.
I have to go buy another because now it's so cheap.
Yeah.
But
I have
Three-
a lot of chips.
$300. I'll buy another one that I will sit here and paint and for YouTube.
Ah,
For
oh, that'll
YouTube.
be great.
Yeah. So you can go subscribe to it and make some money out of it.
Right.
Sure, why not? Why not?
I'm just kidding.
No.
No, you're not.
That's pretty good.
Oh,